Hey everybody, this is Brooks from DroidDog.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use your phone's 3G or 4G data plan to Wi-Fi tether to your Google Nexus 7 so you can access the internet on your Nexus 7 anywhere you go. So right now I'm using my Sprint Samsung Galaxy S2 Epic 4G Touch, and I'm currently running a stock unrooted gingerbread on this device. So, and I can prove to you that it's stock. I'm not doing anything fancy. And this first method I'm going to show you is for unrooted devices. So this is the root checker, and it's saying, sorry, this device does not have root access. So great. So if this is the case for you, if you're running a non-rooted ROM, a stock ROM, you can download an app on the Google Play Store called Foxfi. For most carriers, that will work. F-O-X-F-I. I'll put a link on the Droid Dog blog post that this video will be on. If you're on Sprint, Sprint has removed this, probably because they have unlimited data and they have the most to worry about. But Sprint has removed this from the Google Play Store, but you can still find this online. So I've already gone to that page, and I'll have this link also on the Droid Dog blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and download this latest version. And I'm running gingerbread because this currently doesn't work for ice cream sandwich. So if you're running this phone, the Samsung Galaxy S2 Epic 4G Touch or the Galaxy S3, you are going to need to root to a Wi-Fi tether, and I'll show you how to do that later in the video. But I'm going to go ahead and download this. It shouldn't take too long to download. I don't think it's a very big file. And there we go. And let's install. And done. So here's the app. It's very, very simple. Let's see if I can show you what's going on. So you can have you can change your network name. You can give it a password. You can do it over Bluetooth. I have I have Bluetooth tethered. It's not as functional as a Wi-Fi tether, and you don't want to change this hash code. Apparently that's important. You don't want to change it. But I'm just going to go ahead and activate it without changing anything, just to show you how it works. We're going to activate this, and you're going to see some changes up on the status bar when things get going. Looks like it's still saying it's starting the hotspot. There we go. Foxfi Wi-Fi hotspot ready. So this again is a free app, and your carrier will not be charging you for this Wi-Fi hotspot. So I'm going to put this down, and I've told my Nexus 7 to forget my home Wi-Fi. So right now I have no Wi-Fi access. So I was on DroidDog.com. If I hit go, I have no internet access right now. So I'm going to go check out Wi-Fi networks available. And here's Foxfi 76. I guess that's the name of my network that it assigned it. Let's click on that. There we go. I think I'll show you what the phone looks like when this is tethered. But so now I'm connected to my phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, which again is free. Let's go to DroidDog.com, and boom. So there we go, free Wi-Fi tether using your device's 4G or 3G data plan. If you are on Sprint and you have WiMAX, Foxfi only works with 3G. If you want 4G, you're going to need to root your phone if you want it free anyway. So here we go. On the Nexus 7, non-rooted ROM, free Wi-Fi tether through Foxfi. And here's what it looks like on your device while you're tethering. Here's maybe the MAC address of my Nexus 7, and it's also telling me the max download speed, and has the download and upload, how much you've uploaded, how much data you've uploaded and downloaded up there in the corner. So there you go. Again, how you can Wi-Fi tether to your Nexus 7 with a non-rooted ROM with Fox5. So now we'll be learning how to Wi-Fi tether your Android device if you are rooted. So we'll be able to Wi-Fi tether to our Nexus 7 and use your device's 3G or 4G plan. So we're going to be going to the Google Play Store and searching Wi-Fi tether. There it is. And we're going to want to download the app Wi-Fi tether for root users. Go ahead and download that and install. It's not a very big file, should download pretty quickly. Boom. We'll go ahead and open that. And definitely big shout out to the developers for this app, and if you feel the need, definitely donate to them. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. So before we start, we're going to change some settings. What I'm going to show you is specific to the Samsung Galaxy S2 Epic 4G Touch, but you may need to fiddle around with the device profiles to find one that works for you. What I found with the Epic 4G Touch, we're going to go to Settings and change device profile. Automatic doesn't work for me. Running with this on ICS, I found that generic ICS works, or I think if you use, I haven't been able to confirm this, I'm not in a 4G area or a WiMAX area, but if you use the Samsung Galaxy Nexus CDMA LTE with this device, you should be able to use the WiMAX also. Another thing I'm going to do, you can also, let's see, you can set up encryption, change the network name, change the channel. So you have a lot of options, but something I'm definitely going to do is enable access control. That basically, that way you don't have to set up a password, but you can allow devices to use your Wi-Fi hotspot. And I'll show you that working in a little bit. So once we have the device profile set up, we're good to go. So on your device, you might need to try different device profiles to get it to work. But I know this is going to work for me, so we're going to hit this. And I've already used this app on here, but you'll probably need to say allow super user access at this point. It probably just said granting super user access on the bottom. But we are starting to tether, so now it's good to go. On the bottom, it's going to tell you how much data you've downloaded and uploaded. But we're going to set this aside. This Wi-Fi tether is working, and again, I've had my Nexus 7 forget my home network. I can show you I'm not on Wi-Fi right now. Let's see. Let's go to a different website. Let's just go to droiddog.com. And it's not going to work. I don't have a Wi-Fi connection right now, but Wi-Fi networks are available. And the standard network ID for Wi-Fi tether is Android tether. So we'll select that, and it's going to try and connect. Now I'm going to jump back to the device. When you try and connect to it with the, I forget what the setting I set up was. We can go look. Let's see. Oh, access control. Anyways, we'll get this little notification here at the top. And right now my tablet does not have access, but what I can do is check this and apply, and now and allow super user access, and now my tablet will always, whenever I'm Wi-Fi tethering, I guess it uses like the MAC address, the tablet will always be able to access this Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. So now we'll go back here. I do have Wi-Fi. Let's go back to droiddog.com. We'll hit go. And there it is. We do have internet access. We're able to use it for any type of data, just like you're on a regular Wi-Fi network. So that's how an easy, free way to Wi-Fi tether your Nexus 7 to use your phone's 3G or 4G. Let us know if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to the Droid Dog channel. Follow Droid Dog on Twitter, Google Plus, or Facebook. My name's Brooks Barnard. You can follow me on Twitter, Google Plus, or Facebook. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you. So thanks and have a great day.